Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel today, and in this video I'll be making a pretty short tutorial on how you can change the background of any image you'd like in Canva. This seems like a feature that you have in the Canva Pro. I don't think it's in the basic plan of the Canva file yet, so you might not find it in your own Canva file, which might mean you need to subscribe for the pro version of the Canva. Let's just use an example. Let's use this YouTube banner. Let's say that is the file you want to work with. Now I have already uploaded some images, so I will just add them so that we can use them in our file. So let's say this is the image we want to use. Let's drag that across the page. Now you come to edit image, you come to BG remover. I think yes, it is. I think it's a pro feature. So background remover, and that's it. It's very simple. You really don't really have much to do. Just click on that. It automatically removes the background, and you're fine. And that works. Let's try another image, for example. Let's just try this. You know, let's just try this. We select the image. We do the same thing. Background remover, and it's that simple. Just removes the background for you for free. Easy, very easy. I don't know what to say again. So I think that is it. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And have a great day.